I wasn't going to do a video on this at all, but I thought it was interesting. These are 4-pack bulbs that came. I purchased them at Best Buy. They were, I think, $4, $1 each. And the reason I'm doing a video is because one of them arrived broken. I thought it was very interesting to see the inside of the bulb. So this is the way the regular bulb looks. Standard looking bulb. All right. This is the way it looks on the inside, which is pretty cool. I thought this was pretty cool. I'm gonna plug it in, see how it looks plugged in. Look at all the LEDs. Wow, we've come a long way from the little filaments that used to be inside bulbs. So I thought you'd get a kick out of looking to see what's on the inside of the bulb. LED bulbs. Let's plug it in, see how it looks. Okay, so I plugged it in. Now I couldn't screw it in. I screwed it in. I couldn't screw it in too far in because I want to be able to take it out. So let me turn it on. Ready? Hey, it lit up. Look at that. That's pretty cool. Let me unturn this one so we get a better look of that one. Cool. Look at all the LCDs. Cool, so it turns on. Look at all the LED pretty lights. Pretty lights. So it looks pretty cool. So it'll work for something. I'm not going to throw it away. I'll take pictures and show this all at the end. But as you saw, this is a real close-up of the inside. If you're curious to see how the inside looks. It was pretty cool to see it light up. And see the tear down of a light bulb, a current light bulb, March of 2020. All right, so I hope you liked the video. Thank you. Bye.